discover the best pocket knives designed for ultimate functionality and convenience. These compact, versatile tools feature sharp blades and durable materials, ideal for everyday carry and outdoor activities. With ergonomic handles and reliable locking mechanisms, each knife ensures safety and ease of use. Perfect for cutting, slicing, and various tasks, these pocket knives offer practical solutions for any situation. In this video, we recommend the 7 best pocket knives, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Gerber Gear Parframe Mini Pocket Knife. The Gerber Gear Parframe Mini Pocket Knife is a compact, reliable everyday carry knife. It features a 2.2-inch fine-edge stainless steel blade, offering sharpness and durability for various tasks like opening packages or light cutting jobs. The lightweight handle and easy access pocket clip ensure portability, making it ideal for daily use. Its frame lock handle design adds safety, preventing accidental closure. Weighing only 1.6 ounces and measuring 5.25-inch overall, it's small enough to carry in your pocket or bag. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, tradesmen, and anyone in need of a versatile tool for camping, fishing, or hiking. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, the Parframe Mini guarantees quality and reliability. With practicality, sleek design, and solid craftsmanship, it's a great addition to your gear collection. For anyone seeking a dependable, lightweight folding knife, this is a solid choice that will last. Number 6. Gerber Giri AB Lite Pocket Razor Knife. The Gerber Giri AB Lite Pocket Razor Knife is a highly versatile and compact utility knife designed for everyday carry. It features a 1.5-inch contractor-grade razor blade that can be easily replaced, making it an ideal tool for a wide range of cutting tasks. The knife's slim profile and integrated money clip allow for easy pocket carry, combining functionality and convenience in a compact design. At just 2.3 ounces and 5.1 inch in overall length, it's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The secure liner lock ensures that the blade stays in place during use, providing safety while performing cutting tasks. This knife is perfect for hunters, tradesmen, and outdoor enthusiasts, and serves as a great addition to any camping gear, toolbox, or emergency kit. The Gerber Giri AB Lite Pocket Razor Knife comes with a limited lifetime warranty, guaranteeing long-lasting quality and reliability. It's a practical, functional, and reliable tool that is sure to meet your everyday cutting needs. Number 5. Palmetto Woodshop Custom Pocket Knife. The Palmetto Woodshop Custom Pocket Knife is a high-quality, personalized tool that makes a perfect gift for any occasion. With professional laser engraving, this knife can be customized to add a meaningful touch, making it a memorable present. Its 4.5-inch length with a 3.25-inch stainless steel blade ensures it is the perfect size for everyday carry, while the clip allows for easy belt or pocket attachment. The razor-sharp, partially serrated blade is ideal for a wide range of tasks, from camping and hunting to everyday use. The knife features a stylish black handle with a wood accent, combining durability with timeless design. In addition to the blade, this versatile rescue knife includes a rope cutter, can opener, and glass breaker for added functionality. Whether for outdoor adventures or everyday carry, this knife is designed for reliability and efficiency, making it a great addition to any gear collection. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army Classic SD Pocket Knife. The Victorinox Swiss Army Classic SD Pocket Knife is a compact, versatile tool loved by adventurers for over a century. Its sleek design combines vibrant colors with functionality, making it both practical and stylish. Equipped with a small blade, scissors, nail file, screwdriver, key ring, toothpick, and tweezers, this pocket knife is ideal for tackling everyday tasks. The Classic SD offers a wide range of bold color options, from mango tango to cherry blossom, so you can personalize it to your style. Crafted with the highest Swiss quality, Victorinox ensures every knife meets exceptional standards of craftsmanship and innovative design. Measuring just 58mm long, 18mm wide, and 9mm high, the knife is lightweight at only 21 grams, making it easy to carry. Perfect for those who need a reliable, multifunctional tool on the go, the Victorinox Classic SD delivers durability and convenience in one compact package. Number 3. CIVIVI Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife. The CIVIVI Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife is a top choice for everyday carry, constructed with satin-finished D2 steel. This steel blend offers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and is easy to sharpen, making it durable for all adventures. Its G10 handle provides a smooth, comfortable grip, while being highly resistant to moisture and temperature changes. The ceramic ball bearing pivot ensures quick one-handed deployment and smooth closing, giving you a snappy, reliable action. With a compact design, it's ideal for EDC, from urban settings to outdoor activities like hiking and camping. CIVIVI also offers a lifetime service warranty through their USA Service Center, ensuring long-lasting quality. Number 2. FUNBRO Small Pocket Knife. The FUNBRO Small Pocket Knife is a sturdy and reliable EDC tool made with high-quality stainless steel for a strong, durable blade. Its ABS handle is finely crafted, ensuring long-lasting performance and a comfortable grip. Measuring just 3.94 inches in length and weighing only 2 ounces, this compact, foldable knife is portable and fits perfectly on a keychain. Perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and hunting, this knife is also great for everyday tasks like cutting rope, boxes, paper, and more. It makes a fantastic gift for men and women, ideal as a stocking stuffer for Christmas or any occasion. A great choice for adventurers, travelers, and anyone who needs a reliable pocket knife. Number 1. NedFoss Pocket Folding Knife. The NedFoss Pocket Folding Knife DA75 is a high-quality survival knife made from 8CR14 MOV steel, offering excellent cutting performance and corrosion resistance. The blade features a drop-point design with a black oxide coating, making it both sharp and durable. Its ergonomic G10 and aluminum handle provides a comfortable grip, perfect for tactical use. This knife is equipped with a seat belt cutter and glass breaker for emergency situations, making it highly functional in critical moments. It's lightweight, easy to carry with a convenient pocket clip, and versatile for camping, hiking, and general utility tasks. A great gift for men and women, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.